Hey, never eat blueberries with these 3 foods, especially if you're over 60. It's not just a small mistake. It could silently cancel out the health benefits you thought you were getting. You've probably heard blueberries are a superfood. And they are, for your heart, your brain, your skin, your blood sugar. The list goes on. But here's what most people, even nutrition experts, don't talk about. Certain food combinations can actually block the benefits of blueberries. That means all your healthy habits could go to waste, simply because of what's on the same plate. Here's the reality. As we age, especially past 60, our body changes. Digestion slows, nutrient absorption drops, and inflammation rises. That's why blueberries are such a popular food in senior nutrition. They're packed with antioxidants that fight aging from the inside out. But the truth is, you could be doing everything right and still not getting the full benefits if you're unknowingly combining them with the wrong foods. Worse, some pairings may even trigger digestion issues, blood sugar imbalances, or reduced antioxidant absorption. So if you're over 60 and care about your long-term health, you need to hear this. Today, we're revealing the top 3 foods you should never eat with blueberries. And more importantly, what to eat instead to supercharge their anti-aging power. Let's quickly talk about why blueberries are considered a senior superfood in the first place. They're rich in something called anthocyanins. Those are the pigments that give blueberries their deep purple-blue color. But they're more than just pretty. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that protect your brain, reduce inflammation, and fight cellular aging. When seniors eat around 30 blueberries a day, studies show improvements in memory, focus, and even vision. They also help regulate blood sugar, a huge bonus for anyone dealing with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. And if that's not enough, blueberries also support heart health, skin elasticity, and immune strength. So yes, they are worth the hype. But here's the twist. What you combine them with matters. Certain foods can block the very nutrients that make blueberries so powerful. Others can create digestive stress, especially in older adults with sensitive stomachs. So what are these foods? Let's break it down. Food number 1. Cow's milk. If you're pouring milk over your blueberries in cereal or adding both to a smoothie, you need to hear this. Cow's milk contains proteins and enzymes that interfere with how your body absorbs antioxidants, especially the anthocyanins in blueberries. One study found that when participants consumed milk with antioxidant-rich fruits, the antioxidant levels in their blood were significantly lower than those who ate the fruit alone. That means your morning blueberry bowl may be doing far less for your brain than you think. Also, vitamin C, another crucial nutrient in blueberries, breaks down faster when combined with milk. It doesn't stop there. Dairy digestion becomes harder as we age, leading to bloating, poor absorption, and even mild inflammation. So here's what to do instead. If you love a creamy smoothie, switch to plant-based milk like almond, oat, or coconut. They're lactose-free, easier on digestion, and don't block antioxidants. Just make sure to go for the unsweetened versions. Wait at least 2-3 hours between dairy and blueberries to allow your body to absorb everything properly. Food number 2. Cucumber. This one surprises most people. Cucumbers are often tossed into fruit salads with blueberries. They're hydrating, low in calories, and refreshing. But there's a hidden issue. Cucumber contains an enzyme called ascorbate oxidase, also known as ascorbinase. This enzyme breaks down vitamin C, one of the major immune-boosting, skin-rejuvenating nutrients in blueberries. So when you eat cucumber with blueberries, that precious vitamin C might never even make it into your bloodstream. And vitamin C is a big deal for seniors. It supports collagen production, immune defense, and iron absorption. all things that decline with age. To avoid this conflict, eat cucumbers at least 30 minutes before or after you eat blueberries. That small timing shift can preserve the full vitamin C content of your snack. Food number 3. Pineapple. Here's another tropical mistake. Pineapple and blueberries often end up in smoothies together. They look great and taste amazing. But for seniors with sensitive digestion, this combo can be a disaster. Here's why. Both fruits are high in acidity. When eaten together, they can overstimulate stomach acid, leading to bloating, acid reflux, or nausea, especially on an empty stomach. Pineapple also contains bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein, which may clash with other digestive enzymes and irritate your gut lining. If you're over 60 and experience acid reflux or bloating after fruit salads, this could be the culprit. The fix? Just separate them. Eat blueberries in the morning and pineapple later in the day. Spacing them out gives your digestive system time to reset and lets each fruit deliver its full benefit. The truth about food. Pairing and blueberries. So now you know. Milk, cucumber, and pineapple might be killing the benefits you expect from blueberries. But the solution isn't just about avoiding the bad. It's about knowing what to pair with blueberries to unlock their full potential, especially for senior health. Because when you combine the right foods, something amazing happens. The antioxidants in blueberries become more bioavailable. Your digestion gets a boost. Blood sugar stays balanced, and your cells absorb nutrients more efficiently. This is critical when you're over 60. Your body's absorption rate slows down. You're not just what you eat, you're what your body can use. And that's why strategic pairing makes a difference. Let's look at 3 powerhouse foods that actually work with blueberries, not against them. Booster food number 1. Bananas are simple, affordable, and often overlooked. But pair them with blueberries, and you get a nutritional upgrade. Why? Bananas contain soluble fiber, particularly pectin, which slows down digestion and sugar absorption. That means you get steady energy release, and the antioxidants from blueberries stay longer in your system. Bananas also bring potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all essential for nerve health, muscle function, and heart rhythm, especially important for aging adults. A banana-blueberry smoothie made with plant-based milk can become your go-to morning ritual. And here's the key. This combo doesn't spike your blood sugar. It helps stabilize it. Booster food number 2. Unsweetened plain Greek yogurt. Now this one comes with a twist. We warned against cow's milk, right? That still stands. But Greek yogurt, especially the plain and unsweetened kind, is a different story. Why? It's rich in probiotics, good bacteria that improve gut health and help your body absorb nutrients. And unlike milk, yogurt's fermentation process makes it easier to digest. Greek yogurt also packs double the protein of regular yogurt, which is crucial for preserving muscle mass as you age. When you mix blueberries into Greek yogurt, you're combining antioxidants from the fruit, probiotics for digestion, protein for strength. It's the kind of synergy your body craves after 60. Top it with cinnamon or chia seeds, and you've got a powerful anti-aging snack. Booster food number 3. Walnuts and mixed nuts. Walnuts aren't just crunchy, they're smart food, literally. Rich in ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3, they support brain function and memory. When paired with blueberries, they create a neuroprotective effect, guarding your brain cells against age-related decline. That's not all. Nuts like almonds and pecans bring in vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, nutrients that support your heart, immune system, and even bone density. Just be sure to stick to raw or dry roasted nuts. Avoid anything salted, glazed, or heavily processed. Want a simple recipe? Try mixing a handful of blueberries with a few walnuts and a scoop of Greek yogurt. That's a brain-boosting anti-aging snack in under 30 seconds. Practical daily habits. Now that you know what to avoid and what to combine, how do you make blueberries part of your daily routine? Here are a few quick, senior-friendly ideas. Morning. Add blueberries to a bowl of oatmeal with banana slices and chia seeds. Midday. Blend a smoothie using blueberries, half a banana, almond milk, and flax seed. Evening snack. Mix blueberries with unsweetened Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of walnuts. And remember, keep it simple. Frozen blueberries work just as well as fresh ones. Just make sure there's no added sugar. They're affordable, easy to store, and perfect for smoothies or snacks. Avoid eating blueberries with meals high in dairy or acid, and aim to space them out from cucumber or pineapple by at least 30 to 90 minutes. That little bit of planning can go a long way in optimizing your senior nutrition. Conclusion. Small habits, big results. Blueberries may be small, but the benefits are massive, especially if you're over 60. They protect your brain, sharpen your eyesight, support heart health, and rejuvenate your skin. But here's the real secret. It's not just about eating them, it's about eating them right. Avoid dairy, cucumber, and pineapple. Embrace banana, Greek yogurt, and nuts. And make blueberries your daily non-negotiable, even if it's just a handful a day. Because what you do consistently matters more than what you do once. Subscribe to Nutrizlab channel for more no-nonsense tips on how to live stronger, longer, and smarter. Want more senior health insights? Visit www.nutrizlab.com for in-depth articles, wellness guides, and detailed reviews. Our expert content is made specifically for adults over 60 who want natural, effective ways to feel better every day. You'll find essential health tips, beauty guides, and product insights to support your personal wellness goals. Check out the links in the description for more, and don't miss our next video.